Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I have some items that I purchased from cheap scrapbook stuff in HSN. So let's get started. So I was watching Tony here on YouTube. She is Craft Purge, and she talked about these items that she purchased from cheap scrapbook stuff. I'd never heard of it. So I went there, did a little shopping. So let me show you what I purchased. So first up, from 49th and Market, which is one of my favorite paper companies. I got this 6x8 collection pack. It's called Curators Metal, and it's 28 sheets, 3 of 9 double-sided pattern papers, plus 1 fussy cut element sheet. So let me share this with you real quick. So the papers aren't adhered together, and so it's such a sweet collection. Look at these papers here. I'm trying to get all 3, but I'm not doing very well. And then on the back, it has this really soft design. And then here's another design. And then on the back, we have this really vibrant red distressed look. And here's one with a little squirrel or some type of animal. And flip it over. Once again, really sweet paper to use in card making. Then this one with the mushrooms are so popular this year. And the little birdhouse. And then on the back. And this one is really adorable with all the butterflies and mushroom and flowers and ticket. It has everything. And then that's the back. Then this is really pretty with the butterflies and mushrooms. And then the script. And then here's the back. Look how pretty this is. The colors are very nice and vibrant. And then here's the back. Really pretty. And then this one with the little bird, a tag. And then the back. The back of this one is really, I thought it would be solid, but more decorations with the mushrooms and then some bees there. Then we have this one, and then the back. And then this is the fussy cut sheet, which I don't think I'll be trying to fussy cut these mushrooms, but we'll see. In the back. And then they always give a cute little back, but you could cut these apart too and use those. So that's the first paper pad that I bought, and it's by 49th and Market, and it's the Curators Meadow. And it's by Kathy Persett, I think. So really pretty paper. And then the next one I got is just as pretty. Really vibrant colors. Open this up real quick. And then this one is Art Topics. Elena. And this is by the same lady. It's Katie Petrie, I think, or I'm not sure. 6x8 collection. It's 28 sheets, 3 each of 9 double-sided pattern papers. 1 fussy cut element, just like the other one. So you have this design, and then you have this one. Super pretty. Flip side. Love the colors. If you're a teal person, this is really for you. And look at that, really pretty. And then this one. And then I really like that on that side. And then this pretty one, just so dramatic. And then really soft. This one with little butterflies and plants. And then bam, you have this dramatic, saturated color. So pretty. This one. And then once again, just beautiful color saturation. This one with the butterflies. And then on the back, more butterflies. This time on the right side. Color. Look how pretty that is. How do you choose? I don't know. This one. And then so pretty. And then you have a fussy cut sheet. Some tags and butterflies and florals. And then the back side. Super pretty paper, right? I love it. And then I purchased some postage stamps washi tape, 1 roll. Let's look at that real quick. This is really pretty washi tape because it looks just like stamps. Isn't that pretty? I'll pull some more up for you. Super pretty. Love this. This may be a washi tape that I actually use a lot of. So that's pretty. And it was the 49th Market Curator's Metal washi tape. Super cute. And then I purchased some items on HSN. They had their craft day. And so I picked up a few things. So first up, I picked up this Sissick Thinlet set. Now this was part of their like secret sale, or I don't know what you call it, and I can't remember what it's called, but I got this for, let's see, $15.96. So you got these 2 thinlets, which makes the flower, and then the other side, the other one makes the leaves. So that's what you have here. And then you also got the flower, which is 3 dies to make the flower, the leaves, the center, and the flower itself. And then you got this one with this Thinlet's sentiments. Happy birthday, with love, happy anniversary, and congratulations. So that was a 3-piece set for only $15.96. So really cute. That's from Jessica Scott. Then I picked up some Anna Griffin sentiments. So last year when I made my Christmas cards, I used these for the inside of my cards. And it worked out really well. So I was happy to see that she came out with another group. And this is 5x7. And you get 48 Christmas sentiments inserts. And like I said, I used these last year on my cards and they were perfect. So let's look at 1 or 2. So you open it up. You have season's greetings and best wishes for a new year. How pretty is that? You don't have to stamp it out. You just insert this in the inside of a card. So let's look at another one. This one, oh, that's the same one. Let's see, let me pull one out from further back. So this one says, sending you best wishes for a Merry Christmas. So these are super pretty and easy to use. I was so excited to get those for my Christmas cards this year. And then she also had some for birthday celebrations. And this is 5x7, and you got 48 of these too. And I'll just pull out one just to share with you here. It says, have a bright and beautiful day. How pretty is that? You don't even have to use that for birthday. You can just use that for a hello card. But, you know, I struggle with sometimes with putting sentiments on the inside of the card. After I spend so much time working on the card, I'm just like, I don't know what to put on the inside. So this works perfectly. So these are the birthday wishes. I also, even though I already have my plan for my Christmas cards, I picked up this 80 dimensional stickers. You get 4 each of 20 designs, and these are called Babbles something and stickers. I think it says branches, Babbles and branches. Let's see. I think Anna Griffin comes out with some really pretty stuff that make your crafting super simple. And these are really beautiful. Love the colors on these. And I'll just bring out a few. You got the really pretty Babble or Bobble. And look at that. That's really pretty. It's dimensional. You have this one here. Super pretty. And look at this bird. Isn't that really pretty? So this is a really neat set. So I'm glad I picked this up. Make your card making really easy. And then they also had this Vicky Bouton cards paper set, and it was in the clearance, that special clearance that they offer. And then this one was, let's see, think $24.95. I thought it was a pretty good deal. So you got the 50 piece stickers. It has a gingerbread man there, and so here they all are on the back. You have a deer and houses, presents, all kind of goodies. And then you also got the stickers. It's called Joyful, and it's 112 front and back. And then you got the chipboard stickers. I'm looking at them instead of telling you about them. They're so pretty. Look at this card with the gifts and the tree on top. That card is loaded down. Really pretty. Look at this door with the pop outs that you can use individually or in this door. Tags. Really pretty. And then it has this paper collection. So let's see. Paper pad. Let's check this out. I'm kind of scared to cut it with this box knife. No, that's not doing it. I should have cut this out. Well, I'm just going to show you the front. It has 48 sheets. It's double-sided. And got some really cute designs in here. Let's see if I can show you a little bit. Yeah. Those pretty wreaths. I love Vicky Bouton's style. It's really different. Look at the envelopes. Those are cute. Just really vibrant colors. Great for Christmas. So that's it. That's what I picked up from HSN. Let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.